Welcome to the Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into a fascinating piece of history, the German 10 Pfennig coin from 1950. Now if you are a collector or just curious about old coins, this video will guide you through its history, its design and its current value. So let's get started. The 10 Pfennig coin from 1950 was minted in post-war Germany, specifically in West Germany after the country had been divided into East and West Germany. The coin is part of the Deutsche Mark currency system, which was introduced in 1948 to replace the Reichsmark. This period was crucial for Germany as the country was rebuilding its economy and establishing a new identity. The coin itself is made primarily of copper nickel and has a weight of about 3.5 grams and a diameter of 21 millimeters. The design is simple yet elegant. On one side you will find the iconic oak seedling symbol, which represents growth and new beginnings. This imagery was carefully chosen to symbolize the recovery and hope for the future in Germany after the devastation of the Second World War. The reverse side of the coin features the denomination 10 Pfennig along with the year 1950 and the mint mark, which indicates the specific mint where the coin was produced. Speaking of mint marks, the 1950 10 Pfennig coins were produced in multiple mints including Stuttgart, Hamburg and Munich. The mint mark is a small letter on the coin and it can greatly influence the value of the coin. Collectors often look for specific mint marks that are rarer or were produced in smaller quantities. Now let's talk about value. The value of the 10 Pfennig 1950 coin depends on several factors. Condition, rarity and demand are the most important. Condition refers to how well preserved the coin is. Coins that have been circulated heavily will show wear and scratches and will be valued lower. Coins in uncirculated condition or mint state can be significantly more valuable for circulated coins in average condition. The 10 Pfennig 1950 usually sells for a few dollars. The price can range from around $1 to $5 depending on the coin and the seller. However, coins in very fine or uncirculated condition can fetch much higher prices, sometimes $20 or more for exceptionally well preserved examples. Collectors often seek coins with clear details and minimal, whereas these are more visually appealing and harder to find. Another factor that affects the value is rarity. Some mint marks are more common than others. For example, the F mint, which is Stuttgart, produced fewer coins compared to other mints, and coins from this mint can be more valuable. A collector who is looking to complete a set of all mint marks will pay a premium for the rarer versions. The 10 Pfennig coin from 1950 also has historical significance, which adds to its collectible appeal. As a coin from the early years of West Germany, it represents a period of recovery and growth in Europe. Many collectors are interested not just in the coin itself but in the story it tells about the era. If you are considering buying or selling a 10 Pfennig 1950 coin, it is important to do your research. Check the condition of the coin, look for the mint mark and compare prices from different sources. Online marketplaces, auction houses and coin dealers can all give you an idea of the current market value. It is also helpful to consult a coin catalog or price guide, as these provide detailed information about each coin, including rarity and typical prices. Preserving the coin properly is also crucial. Coins should be stored in a dry environment away from direct sunlight and handled carefully to avoid scratches and corrosion. Many collectors use coin holders or albums specifically designed for this purpose. Proper storage can help maintain the value of the coin over time. In conclusion, the German 10 Pfennig 1950 coin is more than just a piece of metal. It is a small window into history, a symbol of recovery and resilience, and an item that continues to capture the interest of collectors around the world. Whether you are a seasoned collector or a beginner, this coin offers both historical insight and potential value. We are exploring the fascinating history of the German 10 Pfennig coin from 1950. This coin is not just a small piece of metal, it carries a story about Germany's recovery after World War II. After the war, Germany was in ruins and its economy was struggling. The old currency, the Reichsmark, had lost much of its value and inflation was rampant. In 1948, the Allied powers introduced a new currency in West Germany called the Deutsche Mark. This currency reform was crucial for stabilizing the economy and laying the foundation for future growth. The 10 Pfennig coin was part of this new currency system. It was introduced as a small denomination coin to facilitate daily transactions. Its size and material were chosen to make it durable and practical for everyday use. The coin was minted in several cities including Stuttgart, Hamburg and Munich. Each mint produced coins with a small mint mark that helped identify where the coin was made. The design of the coin reflects the spirit of post-war Germany. On the front side, the coin features an oak seedling symbolizing growth and renewal. This was a deliberate choice to represent the rebuilding of the country and hope for a brighter future. The reverse side shows the denomination 10 Pfennig along with the year 1950 and the mint mark the 1950 10 Pfennig coin is significant because it represents the early years of West Germany. During this period the country was undergoing reconstruction and reintegration into the international community. The coin was a symbol of economic stability and everyday life returning to normal for millions of Germans. Collectors value this coin not only for its metal,